Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Sinter Plant 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant marks 30th year of production and enthusiastic celebrations. New quiz program RSP Gyan Manch launched at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And Durga Puja fervor grips Steel City. Now the news in details. Sinter Plant 2 SP2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP entered its 30th year of production with a grand celebration marked by zeal and pride 29 September 2025. Mr. Vishwaranjan Pillai ED Works visited the SP2 shop floor along with Mr. Anil Kumar ED MM, Mr. MP Singh ED Mines OGOM CLMO and Mr. S. Pal Chaudhary ED Projects. Many CGMs and other senior officers of the plant were present on the occasion. The ED Works cut a ceremonial cake to mark the occasion. Congratulating the employees of SP2, Mr. Pillai lauded their significant contributions to the growth story of RSP and urged them to set even higher benchmarks in the future. Mr. Anil Kumar applauded the dedication and spirit of the SP2 workforce, while Mr. MP Singh appreciated the vital support extended by the Sinter Collective of RSP even to the Sinter units of SAIL. Mr. Pal Chaudhary commended the consistent performance of SP2 over the years and assured full support in future project implementations. On the occasion, the ED Works inaugurated a newly installed Safety First monument in the SP2 premises. He also inaugurated the Step Towards a 5S initiative at the Waste Gas Fan building, marking the beginning of the SP2's journey towards 5S implementation. Mr. Shekhar Narayan, CGM Sinter, thanked the top management for their encouragement and reaffirmed the commitment of the Sinter plants to supporting enhanced hot metal production. At the outset, Mr. S.K. Pari, GM in charge and HOD SP2 welcomed the dignitaries and highlighted the key milestones and achievements of the plant during its 29-year journey. It is noteworthy that SP2 commenced operations on 29 September 1996. Since then, the unit has produced more than 49.7 million tons of sinter, playing a pivotal role in meeting the requirements of RSP's hot metal production. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has introduced a new bi-monthly quiz program, RSP Gyan Manch, aimed at promoting a culture of continuous learning and knowledge sharing among employees. The inaugural quiz was organized by the Learning and Development L&D Department on 27 September 2025 at the L&D Department. Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM L&D, was present in the inaugural quiz program and presented awards to the winners and runners-up teams. He encouraged the participants to make the best use of the platform to extend their knowledge horizons. As many as 65 teams, each comprising 2 members from across the plant, enthusiastically took part in the competition. The team of Mr. Dhananjay Yadav, Senior Manager CPP1, and Mr. Abhishek Anand, Senior Manager CPP1, emerged as the winners, while Mr. Santosh Kumar Das, Junior Engineer Associate HSM2, and Mr. Jagannath Jena, Junior Engineer Associate HSM2, secured the runners-up position. The winners received prize money of Rs 1500 each, while the runners-up were awarded Rs 1000. In addition, both winners and runners-up received a set of books worth Rs 250 along with the cash prize. Mr. Sampath Mishra, AGM Coke Oven, was the quiz master, while Mr. K.K. Jaiswal, DGM L&D, coordinated the program. The RSP Gyan Manch has been conceptualized with the objective of promoting a culture of learning, enhancing awareness on technical, managerial, and global domains, and fostering teamwork, competitive spirit, interdepartmental bonding, and cross functional knowledge sharing. The quiz is open to employees from S1 to E7 grades, with the flexibility for participants from any department to pair up as a team. The quiz topics cover a wide range of subjects, including an overview of SAIL and RSP, steel, technology and industry, safety, environment and sustainability, quality management systems, management principles and practices, and current affairs in business and technology. Goddess Durga has once again come to visit her parental abode along with her celebrated offsprings. The visit she makes every year brings hope, happiness, joy, and laughter for her countless devotees. Raucalities are also all geared up to pay their obeisance to the Divine Mother and celebrate the Shara, a time for homecoming, get-togethers, prayer, fun, and frolic. Huge pandals with an array of themes have been erected at different locations. Some are craft based, while the rest are either subject oriented or concept inclined. The infusion of folk forms with the modern techniques in many a pandal has given a fresh perspective to the puja decorations. Durga Puja is celebrated in various parts of India and outside in different ways, but one basic aim of this celebration is to propitiate Shakti, the goddess, in her aspect as power to bestow upon man all wealth, auspiciousness, prosperity, knowledge, and all other potent powers. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.